Welcome back to my channel. My name is LaQuasha. If you're new here, welcome. I am a real estate agent here in Sunnyside, Florida, and I am just coming to you with some new real estate education, information, and news. If you want to learn more about the different lenders you have to choose from, then continue watching. So the first lender that we have out there is the traditional lenders. The traditional lenders are the lenders that they complete FHA loans, conventional loans, USDA loans, VA loans, and they may have a little more in their portfolio, but those are four of the common types of loans that the traditional lenders are offering. The FHA loan is a loan that is insured by the government. So it is a loan dedicated, I would say dedicated to first-time home buyers, but of course that is not a loan that you have to use. This loan is equipped with some usefulness. When I say usefulness, I mean you can find an FHA loan as low as $580. These types of loans are suitable for first-time home buyers. And I say that because there are a lot of FHA lenders or lenders that complete FHA loans that start at a 580 credit score. Now, I'm not saying if you have a 580 credit score or under a 600 credit score, then it might be the perfect time for you to buy a house. But I am saying if you are in dire need of buying a house and your credit is not that perfect, then there are lenders that can work with you with a 580 credit score. To get the best interest rate, you want to have a higher score, but at least you know that you can purchase a home with a 580 credit score. So this type of lender that has the FHA loans and they can start with a 580 credit score, there are different types that will offer cash to close. So what I mean by that, there are many lenders that will offer closing incentives. I am partnered with a lender now that will offer to my clients specifically $2,000 every $100,000 that they borrow. So if you borrow $100,000, they will provide you $2,000 to go towards your closing costs. If you borrow $200,000, they will provide you $4,000. Also, if you borrow $300,000, they will give you $6,000 towards closing costs, and they go up to $10,000. So obviously you have to stop at $500,000. Then you have lenders that do not offer that, and that's okay. They might offer down payment assistance. I work with a lender that also helps with down payment assistance. This is a different type of program. There are a lot of restrictions that work with this program, like you have to meet a certain income, and the requirement for the income, it can't be that high. So these are for moderate to low income individuals. For the down payment assistance program, there are certain areas that you may have to live in. It's not restricted like housing authority, and that's a different video in itself. But you have to sometimes stay within the city limits. So you can't go outside of Orlando, or you might not be able to go outside of Orange County, because different counties and different areas in the city might have different guidelines. So check with your realtor to get that information, or with the lender to get that information to help you understand if down payment assistance program is right for you. Then you have a veteran loan. So if you are a veteran, there is loans specifically equipped for veterans. And thank you for serving. And yeah, with VA loans, they are what you call a special loan. I think most VA loans, you don't have to pay down payment for the house, which is amazing. I guess that's the benefits of serving. But you don't have to pay down payment. And I'll obviously put something on the screen so you'll be able to see some of the requirements for the VA loan, okay? The next loan is the traditional conventional loan. The traditional conventional loan has an array of benefits. Most of these conventional loans, you have to have at least a 680 credit score. These loans sometimes can start at 3%, but it can go, as high as you'd like. And then some of them start at 5%. Down payment is what I mean when I say 3% and 5%. 5% down payment or 3% down payment. And just to mention, because I forgot, with the FHA loan, 3.5% is the minimum requirement for your down payment. VA loans, 0. And then you obviously have your cash to close. So if you are a cash buyer or an investor, please contact me. I'll be happy to help you find an investment property. If you are a first-time home buyer, please contact me. I'll be happy to find you a property. Any veterans out there, I'll be happy to help you guys relocate. But there are more loans out there. What I like to do is put the information on the screen instead of talking so much, so that you can have a visual of how it looks. So some of the other specialized loans are loans such as the bank statement loans for entrepreneurs. These types of loans, it doesn't require tax returns. The minimum credit score is about a 660. And it also just determines how much house you can get based on the deposits over a 12-month period. So if you are an entrepreneur and you are a hairstylist or a barber or just any type of entrepreneur, even a real estate agent, we can use these types of loans as well. They are not hard to get, but I wouldn't consider them a hard money loan, but it's similar because the interest rates are a little bit higher than the full doc loans. So if you are interested in the entrepreneur loan, contact me. I'll get you connected with a lender that can help you with those bank statement loans. And again, these loans, typically the interest rate typically starts at 5%. Sometimes the down payment can start at 10 to 15% down. So these loans are not for, just the regular person. They're for small businesses that has, profits coming in, and they just don't want to go through the hassle of having to turn in all of these documents. And it's a real loan. There's people out here using it. So that is one of the untraditional loans. Sorry about that. I did not mention that in the beginning, but that is one of the untraditional loans that you can use. So buying a house is for everyone. Anybody can buy a house. It's just up to you to make that decision, obviously, to pursue it. So if there's anything else that I can tell you guys, please leave it in the comment section or DM me, and I'll be happy to go over more details about different loan types that you can choose from. And just keep a positive mind when going into this. It's not for the weak. I promise you, it's not for the weak. But I promise your goals can be achieved 2021 if you want to be a home buyer. All right. If you like this video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. All right. Have a good one.